So, if packing for a trip was a sport, I'd probably be the biggest loser. A, because I feel the need to bring all the things in my house, such as shoes, makeup, whisker, bowl, clothes, and many more clothes. And B, because I am not a good Tetris player and I tend to shove everything in a suitcase in hopes that it will fit. So, because I'm going on a 3-day trip to Banff, I thought it would be lovely for you guys to come along with me while I pack for my trip, because I'm a hot mess when I'm packing. I just basically fill this up. Even if it's like a 3-day trip, I would fill it up with like a 1-month type of clothing. I don't understand. I really do not understand myself sometimes. Anyways, let's get started. Welcome to my really messy closet. This video is really going great, you know, because 2 minutes into this video and I really have no idea what I'm gonna do. I should have planned this for this video, but I want to be honest and genuine because this is really what goes on. I was thinking, should I wear a ball gown? Is that too much? I mean, people are never gonna see me ever again. Whatever. Kinda wanna wear this bright pink, I don't know what this is called. I got it from thrift store. But like, what am I gonna pair with it? Picking an outfit is so hard. So I found this turtleneck, which is bright pink, and I thought of going full on pink, you know? It's kind of cute. It's like, it doesn't even match. I mean, it kind of does, because it's both pink, but not really. Anyway, this is why it takes me forever to pack. This is so hard. Or like this yellow shorts. Am I really going for this bright color? Or should I do like all jeans? Or like jeans top and the jeans bottom? This is kind of cute too. It's like a skirt. It's like pastel color, so it's easy to match up with something. Or this turtleneck. I found 3 more clothes that I kind of like, and I'm probably gonna put in my options. It's this top. It's like really, I don't know how to tell you this, but you can see it, so might as well just look at it. And I have this white turtleneck, which you can never go wrong with a white turtleneck. And then this one is a blazer, kind of cute, but kind of looks too formal for Banff. Okay, so I'm gonna try out all my options and see. Okay guys, this is the first outfit. I absolutely hate this. This is so ugly. I don't understand this outfit. I don't hate it, I just don't love it, you know? I kind of like this, it's kind of cute. And then maybe like tie this on my neck. So obviously it doesn't work. I like this, but I don't know, it just kind of looks weird. This is so hard to match with. I kind of like this. I've never worn this top ever since I bought it. So I feel like this is the time for me to wear it, but at the same time it's so itchy on the arms. I definitely like this. I don't like the bottoms. I might change this into this. I feel like this one is just way too pink. This definitely does not work either. I'm back and better. So I feel like I kind of like this. I think I'll wear this. I really like it. So now I think I'm gonna move on to accessories and pack those. The most important thing for me is basically shades. So I'm packing up 2. I have been looking for the white shades, but I can't find it. I think this will do. Hopefully brushes. And I'm gonna put all of these here. If you guys can tell, I'm trying to be as organized as I can be. Brows, because that's important. Some foundation, moisturizer, and I'm probably gonna bring curling iron, mascara. This is the L'Oreal telescopic mascara. I don't use anything else, just this one. For the eyeshadow, the bronzer, blush, tweezers. Look at this, it's like getting full ready. Vaseline lip balm, Fenty Beauty lip gloss, more blush, and this bag is full. Like I said, I say I'm not gonna bring a lot, but then ends up bringing a whole ass luggage. I don't understand myself. Headband, watch, necklace, clips. Do I need it? Probably not. Would I bring it? Yes. Headband. I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear. As I have said before, this is probably the worst part, which is putting everything in my luggage, because I'm not a Tetris player, okay? This and just fold it. Then this next turtleneck. I literally cannot live without a white turtleneck. I breathe white turtlenecks, you know? Just like, this is getting boring. Extra bag. So this is how I packed my clothes. So basically these ones underneath are the clothes for when I'm just at home, lying around, whatever. Then these ones are the ones that I'm gonna wear for the trip. The one on top are all accessories and makeup and everything. A mess. I'm just going to clean all of these and I'm basically done. So the things left for me to pack are things that are like gadgets and phone or like camera and things like that, but it's basically right in front of me. It's so impossible for me to miss it. I'm not gonna pack those yet. Anyways, that's it for the video, you guys. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, I upload every Thursdays at 3 p.m. and Sundays if I feel like it, but also at 3 p.m. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Missing someone.